spike strategy, okay, which you can use to grow your account and become a profitable trader. So before we start the video, I just want to show you guys this account that I currently built. It took me just, you can see it's a week. It's just within a week and I grew this account. Okay, so you can see right here that I deposited $67. Because I think, okay, this is a new week. So last week I deposited $7, and I just wanted to see how I trade, or how I just want to prove to you guys that you can actually do anything. So I just opened this little account, proving to you guys that you can actually make anything you want. You just have to have the right knowledge, have experience, join the right team, and I assure you'll be increasing or doubling your account. So I deposited $67, and all this trade we are seeing, okay, although I just want to show you guys, no matter how good you are, okay, loss will come your way. Okay, loss will definitely come your way, but the most important thing is that you should try to minimize your losses. I'm not trying to say that, so I just want to give you guys a quick tip. So first of all, try to cut your losses. Okay, I see people leaving trade, they'll be in loss, and which you end up blowing the account. So try to cut your losses. And when I deposited this $67 last week, all this signal, all this trade, I gave the signal either in VIP or free group, someone, it depends. So I gave it in the Telegram channel. So if you've not joined, the links, all my links are in description, so you can join us for free. And if you want more content like this, you can subscribe and hit the like button, okay, and you can comment if this strategy work for you. So let me show you guys. I deposited this $67 last week, and as you can see with my trades, I was able to earn $87, okay, profit. I just deposited $7 last week, and you can see just within a week, look at the profits I made from 67. Within a week I earned $87 profit. So if you're in either of the group, either free or VIP group, I'm very sure you should have doubled your account by now, or not even double, but at least have nice profits in which you can just end the week with a smile. So what I did is that I withdrew $85. So why I did this is that I just want to show you guys something, and I want you guys to learn from what I do. So first of all, have the right knowledge. If you don't have the right knowledge, try to invest. Okay, if you don't, people don't want to spend money to gain the knowledge. Although there are many scammers out there, but I mean, you have to risk, because I know what I've risked before I can get to where I am. Okay, I'm not perfect, no one is perfect, but at least you should be good enough to be satisfied that okay, your system work, your strategy work, you are trading with zero emotion. So I just want to show you guys so that you guys will learn from what I do. Okay, so basically, if you have, if maybe for instance, maybe your trade, or maybe people signal, or anyhow, if you were able to double your account, my advice is that you should withdraw. Okay, so right now I lose nothing. It's not possible, but if this account eventually blows, do you know I lose nothing? So what I did is I debited $67 and I withdrew it. You can see, let me show proof to you guys. See, last month it's still the same thing, last 3 months it's still the same thing, to prove to you guys that this is just a new account. Okay, see, today nothing. It's today I just withdrew the money. I wanted to withdraw it Friday, but they don't work during weekend, so I waited till today to withdraw the balance. So this is a proof that this is just a real account. So what I want you guys to be doing is that if you guys make money either on my group or off my group or by yourself, I want you guys to keep to withdraw your deposit. Okay, if you withdraw your deposit, what you have this strong belief that you will trade with zero emotions. It's not that your accounts will be running. Okay, and secondly is that you will be calm. You know that okay, I don't have I don't this is not my money I deposited. I'm just trading with my profit. Trading with your profits is actually better than trading in your account. So I withdrew I deposited 67 and I withdrew 85 today. So for the rest of this month, I will keep trading with my profit, not with my account. So this is one of the tip I want you guys to follow. Okay, I've already taken much of your time before I can say strategy, but I believe it's worth it. So let's head on to the strategy. So basically, we're going to move to the strategy. So let me share the settings. So first of all, we're going to use only one indicator. So indicator middle one, we're going to add RSI one close, style one white, levels 1885. Okay, when you click done, we're going to add the second indicator, which is Ichimoku 6652, 3 pixel fill red. We don't really care about the levels. You click done, then we add our awesome is oscillator 1 pixel green red. We don't put any level. We click done. So your chart should be like this. Okay, so first of all, I see people asking me this. So the where your chart should be, pinch your screen into the you can see the touch on my screen, so pinch it in. So just move one zoom level. Go back for zoom level, so just one zoom level one. This is the zoom level of the strategy. And also your chart should not be here. Move it to at least a point, because sometimes if people leave their chart in the middle or here, the indicators tend to lag and people don't really take note of this thing. So your indicator will lag if you put it in the middle or this side of the screen. So let it be, let's say somewhere here. I think here is okay. So what we're going to do, first of all, I will advise, before you start, move to 15 minutes chart. Put your know the trend of the market. You can use either of these. Average 200. Let me just say yellow. So you can use either of these to know the trend of the market. I use I use 200 moving average to know the overall trend of the market right from the daily time frame. Okay, so you can use this to know the trend of the market, if it's uptrend or downtrend. You sell in downtrend, you buy in uptrend. Okay, so that's for boom. So that's for boom. So different markets and all indices. Okay, you sell, you follow the trend. The trend is your friend. And for this moving average, it's just to guide you through, or so if there's change in direction of the market, if price maybe breaks the trend line or retests the trend line, this moving average is trying to tell you that okay, there might be a little reversal soon. Okay, so let me head on to the strategy. First of all, we want to make sure that, so after you've known the trend of the market, we're going to wait from this indicator. We're going to wait from the awesome oscillator to be forming greens. Okay, so basically, let me just say, so we're catching spike with this strategy. So greens are for buying and red are for selling. So if I've seen this green setup, okay, so this will actually trying to indicate to you that okay, you need to stick to your chart right now, because a spike is coming. So this strategy is not like a long-term trade strategy. You catch one spike, exit, you set stop loss maybe a little pips below your entry, or you know when to close according to your account size. So it's forming green, so you wait for the Ichimoku to touch the level 15. When you touch level 15, it spikes up. Okay, so our advice to avoid lag, you shift your screen to the side of the market. So let's just test it a bit. So, and you can also use this strategy to trade against spike, but two we'll be adding few things to trade against spike. So probably in my next video I'll be showing you on how to use this strategy to trade against spikes for scalping, but we'll be adding more indicators for confirming, because trading against spike is actually risky than catching spikes. Okay, so subscribe if you want to, so I'll be notified when I drop the video. So basically you can see that through here you can see overall downtrend. So this is basically a downtrend. Is either we avoid or we just stick to it. So you can see the green app showed here spike occur, but our Ichimoku have not touched our level, so we avoid it. we keep moving, you can see green. Okay, I'm saying something. So actually, you can see backtesting all this indicator. Okay, you just need to know when how to backtest. So if you see indicators that after 1 hour it shifts, or you just make, you can see, if I zoom it here, this way, look at where it is, but in real life this was on the level, but you can see after moving, you can see where it reached. So try shifting it like this, so you can see that actually it touched our level 15. So it's either you enter or you wait for a green color signal. And although I think it spikes, it spiked. Okay, oh okay, it spiked on the green signal. So it's either you enter straight from the Ichimoku or you wait for the green signal. And as you can see here, you can see Ichimoku touch our level, and let's see how it goes. You can see it spiked. Okay, so this strategy is pretty much easy and also effective. So you can see it here, a signal occur from the awesome oscillator, but our Ichimoku did not touch the level yet, so we avoid this trade. Okay, trading with the awesome oscillator alone, okay, is risky. Okay, so don't trade with it, use Ichimoku with it. And you can see this setup, you can see this nice, you can see Ichimoku touch our level 85. So it's either you wait for the signal, okay, or you enter straight. So our advice, okay, if you are this type of trader, you don't have patience, you just want to catch spike in the market, then you can keep it, and you can see it make spike. You can see here it also made spike. Okay, so it's pretty much easy strategy. So we are waiting for boom 500 to come and touch this level 15, then we catch our spike. Okay, so okay, you can see here, if we shift our, let me now show you something. If we shift chart to this side of the screen, you can see that everything tends to lag. Okay, so you can see, just keep watching this side of the screen, you can see everything tend to lag. You see, so our advice, you keep your screen in this side of this portion, so you do not avoid. Okay, you can see, let me show you guys with this example. So let's keep back testing it. Let's see where it touched. It almost touched there, but almost to our line. Okay, so let's, okay, around here it touch our level. Okay, our 15 level. And don't worry, it's because price have moved, that's why we are backtesting. But if you are live, okay, you can set and you can try it with demo first. If it works for you, try this trade on real accounts. You can see this works. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so touch our level here, we are with spike. Although this is what I would like to show people. Okay, okay, did you really touch it? I don't really. Okay, let's just say touch it. Okay, let me give this as an example. Let's say price touch it here. Let's say you enter here for a buy, this boom, and you can see the drawdown. So I like showing people this thing. Okay, all strategy is not 100% effective, but try to know when to close and when to um enter. Okay, so basically you can close either after 10 pip drawdown. Okay, so as to avoid loss. So we're back testing it, and for now one loss, and you can see the number of win we have taken. So this is a good win rate strategy. So you can see here it formed build up, showing that this is a strong downtrend. You can see, if you see this awesome oscillator making a full volume below the level. Okay, from here is, you can see, showing that, okay, and it gave many signals showing that spike will occur, and people tend to enter here and be stopped out. So we wait for Ichimoku to touch our line, and you can see eventually after like it touch our line here. So after like let's say 10 candle, you can see this long spike. So basically this strategy is very simple yet effective. So for crash 500, we are waiting to touch, come to our level, or we wait for it, then just touch our level, wait for confirmation. When we see red forming on the awesome oscillator showing that, okay, spike will soon occur, wait for Ifimoku to touch our level 85, then we catch spikes. Okay, so You can see here when the awesome oscillator touches our level 85, it gives signal that its spike will occur. But look at this little spike. Okay, so the reason why we not take is that our Ichimoku have not touched our level, so we avoid this trade. And you can see eventually it came to touch our level here, and as you can see, a single spike occurred and or more. But our advice, take one spike, exit. There are more to trade in the market. Okay, there are more to trade in the market. So look at here, touch our level, you see the spike. So this is pretty much easy strategy. It's a simple yet effective strategy. So I hope you guys understood everything perfectly. Okay, you can drop in comment section anything you want. Okay, if I can answer it, and if you want to join us, links are in description box. So I look forward to hearing you next time. Thank you.